Assalamu alaikum. Hi there. I hope you all are well. This is Tanvir Hossain. Today I am going to talk about how can you add Grammarly in your Microsoft Word and how can you use it. So let's go. At first we open any browser, then we go to the search bar and Grammarly. You can see here the Grammarly free online writing assistant. Click here. This is Grammarly website interface. Now go to the app. You can see here app, then click here. Now you can see here Grammarly apps for Microsoft Office, Windows and Chrome. Now we download Grammarly for Microsoft Office. That's why I click here. As I already download Grammarly, that's why you can see here active option, but you can see install option. This type of install option you can click here and the install button, click here install, then it will be installed. Now I reinstall it. Now I install this Grammarly in my laptop. So click here, get start. Click this two option for Word and Outlook. Click here install. Okay. You can see almost install. Okay. Then finish. Now I open any my Word document. Okay. When you open any Word document, then you can see the right side open Grammarly option. You can click here. Okay. You can see here login option. Click login and you can provide email or phone number then and password, then login. Now I log in this. Okay, you can see here it will be logged. Okay, sign in completed. Now you can see here the document has a red mark and blue mark in this word, that word, and you click here this word. Okay, at first you can see here all basic issue means total red red mark is 8. Okay, and premium issue, if you buy this Grammarly then you can use it. Now as I use it free, that's why I only complete this 8 option. Okay, now I click here which, okay, which and click here, click the blue icon, blue mark. Okay, and you can see here. Okay, click here. Okay, click here, basic and diminish systems, stabilizing system, the system, the manual, and 11 complete. Okay, checking. I hope you enjoy this video. Like, and you have any question, please comment below, and please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.